Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Engineer Muhammad Shafat with you, Quality Director, Abduls Bro Construction QAQC Quality Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about CBT computer-based test for quality control inspectors and quality control supervisors prior to get approved in Saudi Aramco projects. Part 2. Let's start our today's video. CBT time and number of questions. This CBT exam consists of 40 multiple choice questions to be completed in 60 minutes. That gives you roughly 1.5 minutes per question. The result is displayed immediately after completion, so you will know your performance instantly. Proper time management is key to completing the exam. Now let's understand the CBT exam pattern by reviewing a few sample questions from each discipline. Let's start first PID civil CBT type question. Sample of fresh concrete shall be performed as per number A ASTM C39, number B ASTM C94, option C ASTM C172 and option D ASTM C31. And the correct answer is C. Next question PID civil CBT type. Soil shall be classified according to option number A ASTM D1557, option B ASTM D4253, option C ASTM D2487 and option D is ASTM D4318. You have to select one answer and the correct answer is C. Now let's move towards PID electrical CBT type question. What is the maximum allowable resistance for an individual grounding rod? Option A 5 ohm, option B 10 ohm, option C 25 ohm and option D is 50 ohm. You have to select one correct answer and correct answer is option C 25 ohm. Next question is also related with electrical CBT type. What is the minimum size of conductor for LV power? Option A 1 mm square, option B 1.5 mm square, option C 2.5 mm square and option D 4 mm square. You have to select one correct answer and the correct answer is D. Next is PID coating CBT type question. Minimum recommended steel temperature above the dew point for coating is option A 1 degree centigrade, option B 2 degree centigrade, option C 3 degree centigrade and option D 5 degree centigrade. And the correct answer is C. Another PID coating CBT type question. NAS SP0188 covers option A pipeline coating applications, option B discontinuity holiday testing for protective coatings, option C cathodic protection design, option D surface preparation. So you have to select one correct answer and the correct answer is option B. Now we discuss PID HVAC CBT type question. The question is AMCA 210 is used for option A duct design, option B airflow measurement of fans, option C HVAC load calculation, option D noise control. You have to select one correct answer and the correct answer is option B airflow measurement of fans. PID HVAC CBT type. Next question. ASTM E84 provides the option A airflow rate in duct, option B flame spread and smoke development of duct insulation materials, option C refrigerant pressure in HVAC systems, option D noise level of air handling units. You have to select one correct answer in CBT exam. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is B. Next is PID piping CBT type question. Pipeline valves are covered in option A API 650, option B API 570, option C API 6D, and option D is API 1104. And what is the correct answer? You have to select one question in CBT exam. And the correct answer is API 6D. Next question, butterfly valves are covered by option A API 6D, option B API 609, option C API 570, and option D API 650. You have to select one correct answer during CBT exam. And the correct answer is B. Next is PID welding CBT type question. Bend test acceptance criteria come from option A API 1104, option B ASME section 9, option D AWSD 1.1, and option D ASTM A370. You have to select one correct answer during CBT exam. And the correct answer is option B. Next, PID welding CBT type question. Identification hardness of metallic materials using portable tester is covered by option A ASTM A370, option B ASTM E110, option C ASTM A956, and option D ASTM E84. You have to select one correct answer similar in CBT exam. And the correct answer is option B. Next question, AWS A 2.4 standard covers option A welding procedures qualification, option B welding symbols, option C welding inspection methods, and option D welding electrodes. The correct answer is option B welding symbols. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you soon in part 3 of CBT test videos. Abduls Bro Construction QAQC Quality Academy offers discipline-wise certification programs, including Certified QAQC Inspector (CQI) and Certified QAQC Engineer (CQE) in civil, architectural, mechanical, electrical, telecom, etc., and general disciplines as well. We also offer Certified QAQC Manager (CQM). These programs are delivered by Abduls Bro Pvt Limited as an authorized training center of ABA Certifications USA. Join our live training sessions and learn from industry experts with 20 plus years of experience. For more detail, you may visit our website or contact us through WhatsApp number. See you soon in upcoming video.